Welcome, little explorers. And hey, a huge welcome to your fantastic co-pilots too. I am just so excited you're here today for this very special explainer mission. All right, I want you to go ahead and put on your imaginary explorer hats right now. Yep, pull them down nice and snug. Got them? Okay, now grab your trusty magnifying glasses. Today, we are going on a massive world-saving adventure, the Great Alphabet Hunt. We'll be using our special Explorer's Map as our guide, so you've got to keep those eyes wide open. So, what exactly are we looking for? Well, we are searching for magic letters. These are colorful, hidden cards, and right now they might literally be hiding in secret places all around your room. And here's the coolest part. Each and every one of these letters has a secret name and a very special sound. To win our mission today, we have to find them all and unlock their magic together. Think you can handle it? I know you can. Now, every great explorer needs a treasure map, right? Ours is going to take us through 6 awesome zones. The Great Letter Mission begins, exploring letters A to E, finding letters F to J, uncovering letters K to O, discovering letters P to T, and finally, our letters U to Z, victory. Let's dive right in. Zone 1, the Great Letter Mission begins. All right, are you ready for this mission? Stand up tall, my brave explorers. Let's begin our quest. Take your magnifying glasses and just look around the room you're in right now. Do you see any clues? Keep looking really carefully as we step right into the very first letter zone on our map. Zone 2, exploring letters A to E. It is time to track down those letters. Let's see what we can find. Oh, look, our first clue. It's A. A is for apple, and its secret sound is ah, ah, ah. Wow, and here's B. B is for ball, and its special sound is buh, buh, buh. Moving right along, we found C. C is for cat, and it makes the sound k, k, k. Right over there, it's D. D is for dog, sounding just like duh, duh, duh. And hey, look at that, it's E. E is for egg, and it says eh, eh, eh. Okay, let's use our bodies to actually unlock the magic of these first 5 letters. Are you ready? For A, let's take a big crunchy bite out of an apple. Crunch, crunch, crunch. For B, pretend to bounce a giant bouncy ball right on the floor. Boing, boing, boing. Now for C, I want to hear you purr like a really happy cat. For D, go ahead and wag your imaginary dog tails. Swish, swish. And for E, tap your hands together and pretend to crack an egg. Oh, great job. All right, moving on to Zone 3, finding letters F to J. Let's uncover some more magic. Ooh, I see the next one. It's F. F is for fish, and the sound is f. Right behind it, there's G. G is for goat, sounding like g, g, g. Then we've got H. H is for hat, making a nice breathy h sound. Look over there, it's I. I is for igloo, with the chilly sound I. And right next to it, J. J is for jump, and its magic sound is j, j, j. Time for another fun physical break to unlock this new magic. Come on, let's swim around the room like a fish for F. Now pretend to chew some green grass like a goat for G. G, g, g. For H, proudly put on that explorer hat again. For I, wrap your arms around yourself and shiver in the cold ice of an igloo. Brr. And for J, I want you to jump up as high as you possibly can. Up, up, up. Wow, seriously, what a jump. Zone 4, uncovering letters K to O. Give your co-pilot a massive high five, guys. We are already halfway there. Let's reveal the secret sounds for this next group. Oh, I see K. K is for kite, and the sound is k, k, k. Next is L. L is for lion, making the long sound M. M is for monkey, sounding like N. N is for nose, saying And O. O is for octopus, with the awesome sound ah, ah, ah. Let's use those explorer bodies to lock in these magical sounds. Grab your invisible string and let's fly a kite way up in the sky for K. Now let's roar softly like a lion for L. L. For M, rub your tummy like a really hungry monkey. For N, wiggle your nose like a little bunny. And for O, 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 O. Stretch out wide and wave your 8 octopus arms all around. Zone 5. Discovering letters P to T. Oh man, we are getting so close to the treasure. Let's sound out our newly discovered letters. Here's P. P is for penguin, and it says P, P, P. Ooh, look, it's Q. Q is for queen, making a fancy Q, Q, Q sound. R. R is for robot, which sounds like rrr. S. S is for snake, making a long, slithery S. And T. T is for tiger, saying t, t, t. Ready to move again? For P, keep your arms stiff at your sides and waddle just like a penguin. For Q, give a very royal wave like a queen. For R, show me your absolute best stiff, jerky robot dance. For S, get down low and slide around the floor like a snake. And for T, get up on your toes and tiptoe very quietly like a sneaking tiger. You are doing fantastic. Okay, I have to whisper this next part because we are finally here. Zone 6, letters U to Z. Victory. These are the final letters. Let's tally up the final 6 sounds on our list. U. U is for umbrella, and it sounds like Getting so close. V. V is for violin, making the vibrating sound V. We found W. W is for whale, which says w, w, w. X. X is for X-ray, sounding like x, x, x. Just 2 left. Y. Y is for yo-yo, saying ya, ya, ya. And the very last letter, Z. Z is for zebra, with the buzzing sound zzz. Let's bring these final letters to life. For U, reach up and push open a big umbrella to keep the rain off. For V, tuck an imaginary violin right under your chin and play some beautiful music. For W, pucker your lips and blow a huge whale spout up into the air. For X, cross your arms to make a big X like an X-ray picture. For Y, toss a yo-yo down and pull it right back up. And finally, for Z, let me see you zoom incredibly fast around the room like a galloping zebra. Explorers, freeze. Freeze right where you are. Look closely around your room. Have we really done it? Did we find every single magic letter hidden on our quest today? Yes. Look at our beautiful, completed master map. It is completely full. From A for apple, all the way down to Z for zebra. We found all 26 letters. That means you did it. You are master explorers who successfully filled out the entire treasure map. So go ahead and give yourselves a massive, energetic explorer cheer. Hip, hip, hooray. Because you learned these secret names and special sounds today, you now hold the absolute ultimate treasure. You have just unlocked the magic to read any book in the whole wide world. I mean, think about that for a second. Knowing these letters and their sounds means there literally isn't a story out there that you can't discover. So I leave you with this really exciting question to think about. With all this new alphabet magic right in your pocket, what amazing story will your magic letters tell you next?